In this video, we will be learning microrobotics. So, in the previous video, I have mentioned that microrobotics is mainly used in agriculture field and also in medicine field, especially in the drug delivery or in the medicine delivery, which is nothing but the chemical. So, beyond the medicine, we have other manufacturing, other applications also for microrobots. In the previous video, we learned that they will be manufactured in very small scale with small sensors, micro sensors, actuators, and controllers. And they can be used in places where humans cannot go and also where the big machines or the robots cannot go. So, microrobotics could also be used in healthcare. The impact of microrobotics extends far beyond healthcare, promising transformative changes in manufacturing, environmental science, and fundamental research. So, this could also be used in micro assembly and manufacturing, precision assembly of tiny electronic components and miniature devices. So, if I want to develop a small device in my manufacturing company, then I can make use of these micro robots. If we want to monitor the environment, maybe the sea or maybe the forest or the deserts, so those type of environmental monitoring could also be done using the micro robots. Mobile sensor swarms collecting data in remote or hazardous environments. Biological research. In biological research also, we can use the microrobots. It manipulates the cells and molecules in microfluidic systems for advanced studies. So these robots will be having the chemical content in a very small quantity and in the exact location they will deliver it. They will deliver the cells and the molecules. So future direction and open challenges. So robots can also be used in several ways. One is autonomous way, which is totally advanced, where the robot can make use of their own decisions. They make their own decisions. If an obstacle is identified, it can move towards the left side or towards the right side. If an obstacle is not identified, it will be moving towards the straight direction. So for obstacle sensing, we will be using the obstacle sensor that is also there. If I don't want my robot to move on its own, I can also operate my robot using manual mode where I can control the robot for every step from a controller. So in the controller side, I will be having softwares like LabVIEW. So where I will be giving instructions forward, reverse, left, right, back, turn. So these instructions I will be having in the controller side. So from the controller side also I can control the robot. So that is also possible. So two modes of locomotion, one is autonomous completely and another one is manual. So here in the same way, micro robots also have two types of operations, manual and autonomous. Autonomous power, it develops the self-contained power sources for prolonged operation at micro scale. So when I'm sending the robot in a forest environment or a desert environment, it is definitely not possible for me to control the direction of the robot all the time. So it is nowadays autonomous robots are advisable than the manual one. Autonomous robots um, are enhanced in intelligence. Onboarding sensing will be there with autonomous robots. Biocompatibility and safety. It ensures materials and operations are safe for clinical use. Mass production techniques for widespread deployment and commercialization is also possible. So, there are some revolutions in microrobots in the field of science and also in industries. Microrobots are used in manufacturing industries as well to human ingenuity. It pushes the boundaries in a very small scale, but it is expensive. It is like interdisciplinary innovation, where we will be using the fields of electronics, embedded systems, mechatronics, and electronic devices, electrical devices like motors, DC motors, stepper motors, servo motors will be used for the locomotion or for the operation of the robots. So these are the important things. For microcontroller, I can use an Arduino microcontroller or the general microcontroller or ESP. So, so these are the different types of elements which I can use in the micro robots, but in small scale, in the miniature scale, for its functioning. I hope you would have understood or learned from the video. See you in the next one. Until then, it's a bye bye from Radhika.